So if you haven't ever heard this song before, it's by a lady named Lacey J. Dalton. And I heard it when I was 12 years old. And I asked my mother where 16th Avenue was. And she said it was in Nashville, Tennessee. And I said, well, that's where I'm gonna live. And I wanted to write songs on 16th Avenue, but I don't. I write songs on 17th Avenue. It looks so uneventful, so quiet and discreet. But our lives are changed there on that little one-way street. 'Cause they walk away from everything just to sing to me and you. So God bless the boys who make the noise on 16th Avenue. God bless the boys who make the noise on 16th Avenue.